If you're one of the many folks struggling to find the right match, the Columbia SC Counselor Guide is honestly a phenomenal tool. Instead of getting totally lost in a sea of sponsored ads and outdated listings, this independent directory evaluates 237 local businesses. It uses a really strict data-driven methodology, applying a published scoring rubric to public data and verified client sentiment. And the absolute best part? Zero paid influence. Buying a sponsored spot does not touch a business's earned score. So, when we apply that scoring method, we get a really clear look at the Harbison and West Columbia areas. Oceanic Counseling Group leads with an 87. They're highly noted for families and long-term therapy. Then LifeStance and ThriveWorks follow closely with an 85, and they're praised for combined psychiatry and telehealth flexibility. This basically gives us a clear, transparent map of highly rated professionals to start with. Moving on to Section 4, comparing top local providers. Finding the right fit. Let's look at a specific case study to see why finding that right match is just everything. Now, the nuance behind these numbers is pretty fascinating. Sunset Primary Care actually has a slightly higher overall composite score of 90 compared to Oceanic's 87. But here's the catch. They serve wildly different needs. Sunset is a walk-in medical clinic offering $70 same-day visits, where mental health is really just a secondary part of a primary care visit. Oceanic, on the flip side, is a dedicated therapy practice built specifically around trauma-informed treatment. Let's look a little closer at Oceanic Counseling Group. If you're looking for long-term progress with explicitly trauma-informed staff, Oceanic is designed to provide exactly that kind of safe, sustained environment. The reviewers consistently talk about feeling heard over months, sometimes years of treatment with named therapists. Plus, they offer evening and weekend appointments, which is an absolute game changer if you work full-time. And remarkably, they have 0 recorded complaints in their reviews. None. Conversely, Sunset Primary Care offers incredible, right now, accessibility. If you just need a quick check-in or have a medication-adjacent concern, their walk-in model and transparent pricing are fantastic. How do you know who you can actually trust? Well, you absolutely have to look past a simple star rating. First, verify their exact licensure in South Carolina, like an LPC or an LASWCP. Next, ask direct questions about their specialized modalities. Are they trained in EMDR or somatic approaches? Ask them point blank how they handle complicated grief versus normal mourning. And maybe most importantly, ask exactly how they're going to track your healing journey and adjust if things just aren't working. A counselor who can clearly explain their approach to you is a much better sign than a wall full of credentials.